Welcome to Product Critique, where today we'll be taking a close look at the field roast Chao slices, the best Chao cheese slices you can find. If you're a fan of plant-based alternatives or just looking for something new to try, this product is worth your attention. These Chao slices come in a convenient 7-ounce pack, offering a deliciously creamy texture and great taste. Whether you're a vegan, lactose intolerant, or just exploring dairy-free options, these slices make a fantastic addition to sandwiches, burgers, wraps, and more. They offer that perfect meltability and tangy flavor you'd expect from traditional cheese, without any of the dairy. The Field Roast brand has been known for creating plant-based products that don't compromise on taste, and their Chao slices are no exception. Made with a base of coconut milk and fermented tofu, these slices give you a smooth, cheese-like experience with rich flavor profiles that pair beautifully with everything from grilled veggies to your favorite bread. Not only are they dairy-free, but they are also non-GMO and free from artificial ingredients, making them a healthier option. Each slice is perfect for snacking or cooking, providing a great way to enjoy cheese without any of the concerns that come with traditional dairy products. If you're looking to add a vegan cheese option to your kitchen, these Field Roast Chao slices are definitely a top contender. The pack includes 4 individual 7-ounce bags, giving you plenty of cheese to enjoy over time. Plus, they're perfect for anyone trying to live a more sustainable lifestyle, as they align with plant-based dietary choices. That's it for today's review of the Field Roast Chao slices. Stay tuned for more reviews on your favorite products. And make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth looks at the latest in grocery and gourmet food items.